Hey y'all, it's Kathy Bow. I'm your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I came into my studio today and thought maybe, just maybe, you guys would like to see how I manage my 12 by 12 cardstock. Now, back in the day when paper crafting kind of first got real popular, it was mostly about scrapbooking. I still love to scrapbook, but occasionally I come across papers like this that I really would not use in a scrapbook because it would cover up so much, or maybe I would use it on a title page, whatever. But I make that decision before I do this. There is a demonstrator in Australia that I really struggled with her name the other day, but her name is Kylie Bertucci, and she has a Facebook presence, she does a blog, and she has a YouTube channel. I do too, but she's like 10 times, a zillion times better and all this. But anyway, she has something called Love It, Chop It. And basically, if you love your paper, she says, just go ahead and cut it up. Now, I hadn't done that initially because I wasn't sure that's what I wanted. But y'all, let me tell you, that's the way to go. I'm going to show you how this works. Imagine this is a full stack. I didn't want you to sit here and watch me cutting down my full stack of designer series paper, which this beautiful paper, Botanical Butterfly, has been discontinued, but believe me, I couldn't part with it, and I want to keep it and make cards with it. So this is a 12 by 12, so I'm going to go to 6 inches here. I've already chopped the rest of it, so you didn't have to sit through that. I can stack these together. That's the other side. Stack these together very neatly and go again to 6. So I've got 6 inches by 6 inches. I have 4 pieces out of one sheet. So because I only have the one sheet, I'm going to turn these two over so I can see the front as I'm flipping through and the back. Now, what do you mean flipping through? Oh, I got something to show you. Oh, wait. First, we got to do this. Okay, this is something else I do. This is what comes in the designer series paper, and it's even going to tell us the colors to use when we make these cards. So I'm going to cut this down, and it's going to be a little different. I'm going to go about there, and then I'll measure 6 inches. I just kind of guesstimated the width of it, and then I will go 6 inches here. All right, there. Now this I can use another time for another thing. I don't know. I'm actually going to make a gift for a grandchild. She got to go on her Make-A-Wish trip, and I printed some pictures for her, and I plan to make her little gift with that. Now, where did I put them? I've got... Oh, here they are. Okay, I've got these little guys. What am I going to do with these? Well, I'll show you. First of all, I have this thing about office supplies and school supplies. I don't know why. Been this way my whole life. I love to have office supplies and paper crafting supplies, of course. But when I go to the, I don't care if I'm at the drugstore or the office store, I have to look at all the pens and things like that. Well, I don't have to, but I do. Okay, Botanical Butterfly. Now, I might make that a little neater later, but here we go. I'm going to put it in this little thing, like this. Y'all know where this is going, don't you? I know you do. I know you do. And I'm going to take this tape off of here eventually. Come on now. This is always interesting for me. There we go. Okay, and then, because I've already looked at my other my other designer series paper files, I know where I want this. So I'm going to put it right here in pretty pink. Okay, so now I've got a neat little thing like this. But what next? Okay, well, here's the stack that belongs to it that I've already cut up. Okay, so this is what I have when I go to pull this particular paper. I've got the colors, I've got the name of the paper. I can just flip through it and see everything I have. I keep all of these in this bin, all right? And I'll put this one here. Now, can you see that? So you see, if I want wood textures, I flip through here. I got a brand new pack here, and then one that I'm working on. Tropical Escape, Petal Promenade, etc., etc. A lot of these are discontinued, but I still love them, so I can hug them now and then. Hug, hug. And this container, you can see it like this. And sorry if there's a little bit of dust on it or whatever. This is called an IKEA Variera. It's item number 22157. These are $4.50 a piece. We decked out my whole studio with these. I probably bought a dozen of them. When you get them, they stick together really hard, but trust me, you can get them apart. And they're pretty durable. And I love it because I can empty them and use them for other things, which I've done several times. And anyway, if you're going to go with a 6x6 and you want to cut down that 12-inch paper, it's about to get loud. My husband's about to turn on a vacuum cleaner. There we go. If you want to do your 6x6, this is a great way to keep it in order. It's super simple. You've got your cardboard here. All you got to do is get some of these little tabs and you're good to go. Okay, so that's my tip for today. I hope it helps you, and please do check out Kylie's YouTube channel, because she's the one who came up with the Love It, Chop It. That's not my idea. Oh, and little pieces I keep in this little box here. Right there. Okay? Thanks, y'all. Toodles. Bye.